There's a reason why millions of people around the world rely on credit cards, from students to business people to everyone in between. And today, we're going to break down why and how you can use credit cards to your advantage. Now, before we dive into the details, let's address the elephant in the room. Credit cards can be dangerous. If not used properly, they can lead to debt, stress, and financial ruin. But here's the thing. Credit cards are a tool like a hammer. A hammer can also be a dangerous weapon if you don't know how to use it. The key to wielding any tool effectively is knowledge and understanding. So if you're ready to learn how to use credit cards to your advantage, let's get started. The first thing you need to know is the two main categories that credit cards fall into: debit cards and credit cards. Although debit cards are very popular, we won't be focusing on them today because they don't offer the same benefits as credit cards when it comes to building credit and earning rewards. First up, let's talk about the pros of using a credit card. And there are plenty of reasons why millions of people swear by them. But before we dive into the juicy details, remember that these benefits only apply to responsible credit card users. Number 1. They help build a credit history. This is a big one, especially for those of you who are just starting out. When you use a credit card and pay it off on time each month, you're showing lenders that you're reliable and responsible. As you continue to use your card and make those on-time payments, your credit score will gradually increase. And trust me, a higher credit score can open doors to better loan terms, lower interest rates, and even lower insurance premiums. Pretty cool, right? Number 2, rewards and cashback. Many credit cards offer fantastic rewards programs, from cashback on everyday purchases to points for travel and exclusive discounts. It's like getting paid to spend money. Imagine earning points that can be redeemed for free flights or hotels or getting a percentage of your money back on your grocery bill. It's a win-win situation. Number 3, safety and convenience. Credit cards provide an extra layer of security. Most cards have fraud protection, and if your card is lost or stolen, you're typically not liable for any unauthorized charges. Paying with a credit card is also super convenient, especially when shopping online. You don't need to carry large amounts of cash or worry about making change. Plus, many merchants accept credit cards but not cash, so it's a great way to support local businesses too. And number 4, an emergency cushion. Life is unpredictable, and sometimes emergencies arise that we're not prepared for. A credit card can act as a safety net in these situations, allowing you to make necessary purchases without dipping into your savings. However, it's important to use this option wisely and to have a plan to pay off the balance as soon as possible. Now that we've covered the benefits, let's shift gears and talk about the cons of using a credit card. It's crucial to be aware of the potential downsides so you can avoid common pitfalls. Number 1, high interest rates. One of the most significant drawbacks of credit cards is the high interest rates that come with carrying a balance from one month to the next. These interest rates can be incredibly high, often exceeding 20%. So it's crucial to pay your balance in full each month to avoid getting trapped in a cycle of debt. Number 2, overspending temptation. Credit cards make it easy to swipe and spend without fully realizing the consequences. Since you're not using your own money, it's easy to overspend and make purchases you can't afford. Before you know it, you may find yourself in a precarious financial situation. Number 3, the debt trap. Some people may be tempted to only make the minimum payments on their credit card balances. This approach, however, keeps you in debt for longer and allows the bank to collect more interest from you. It's essential to resist this temptation and strive to pay off your balance in full each month. So now that you're aware of both the advantages and disadvantages of using a credit card, let's explore some tips on how to use them wisely. Number 1, always pay your balance in full each month. This is the golden rule of using a credit card. By paying your balance in full, you'll avoid paying any interest and keep your debt at 0. Number 2, keep your credit utilization low. Credit card companies like to see that you use a portion of your available credit, but not too much. Aim to spend less than 30% of your total credit limit to maintain a healthy credit utilization ratio. Number 3, never miss a payment. Make it a habit to set calendar reminders or use auto pay to ensure that you never miss a payment. Late fees and penalties can quickly add up and damage your credit score. Number 4. Use rewards wisely. Don't go overboard trying to earn rewards. Only spend money on things you would normally buy to earn cash back or points. And number 5, limit the number of cards you hold. Managing multiple credit cards can be tricky. Focus on using and paying off your primary card responsibly before applying for additional ones. And there you have it. Credit cards can be a game changer when used wisely, helping you build credit, earn rewards, and enjoy the convenience they offer. Just remember to stay cautious, make responsible choices, and avoid the pitfalls we discussed earlier. If you found this information helpful, please give us a like and subscribe for more financial tips. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy credit card mastering.